We're going to be learning an important word today that has a couple of meanings. In Master Azerbaijani word of today, you have the word called yığıştırmak. Yığıştırmak. Yığıştırmak is to tidy up, to clean up, or to put away. I would say add it there to pack also. But let's see. To tidy up the room is otağı yığıştırmak. Otaq is the room, otağı da room yığıştırmak, to tidy up. Qarışıqlığı yığıştırmak. Qarışıqlıq is the mess basically. To clean up the mess. To put away the toys, oyuncakları yığıştırmak. Because you're literally picking them up and putting them somewhere else. That's the tidying up, cleaning up, put it away. Hence, yığıştırmak fits for all three. Now, akşam qonaqlar gəlməzdən əvvəl otağı yığışdırmaq üçün hamımız bir-birimizə kömək etdik. Ona görə də ev səliqəli göründü. Let's see. Before the guests arrived in the evening, we all helped each other to tidy up the room, so the house looked neat. Akşam, in the evening, qonaqlar, the guests, gəlməzdən əvvəl, before arrived, otağı yığışdırmaq üçün, to tidy up the room, bir-birimizə kömək etdik. We helped each other. Bir-birimizə each other. Kömək etdik, helped. Ona görə də, so, that is why, ev səliqəli göründü. The house looked neat. Nice sentence. Next. Uşaqlar yatandan sonra oyuncaqları yığışdırmaq məcburiyyətində qaldım. Çünki səhər tezdən işə tələsəcəyəm. Now, after the children fell asleep, I had to put away the toys because I'll be rushing to work early in the morning. Uşaqlar yatandan sonra, after the children fell asleep. Uşaq, child, uşaqlar, children. Yatandan sonra, after they fell asleep, I had to put away. Məcburiyyətində qaldım. Means I was obliged. I just had to. That's why you see the nice way of saying I had to put away. Məcburiyyətində qaldım. Yığışdırmaq, put away here. Because, çünki səhər tezdən işə tələsəcəyəm. That's a future tense. I will be rushing to work early in the morning. Səhər tezdən early in the morning, işə, to work. Rushing, tələsəcəyəm. I will be rushing. Literally. Now, today's word was yığışdırmaq, to keep stuff nice and easy and tidy. That joke is. My superpower, procrastinating yığışdırmaq until guests ring the doorbell. Feel free to check it out, masterazerbaijani.com, where I post every 10 days. That will give you more tips and tricks in terms of grammar, language, cultural, and historical aspects. I also have Master Azerbaijani app built for you, available in App and Google Store. That will help you to learn in deeper context. And Module 1 there is free. That is essential foundations that you would need to set you up for success to learn the language. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.